Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. In the previous video I had shown you how to design this event calendar using HTML and CSS. Now in this video I'll show you how to add this to your Blogger and your WordPress websites. So let's get started. I have logged into my Blogger dashboard, so let's go ahead and create a new post. And let's add the HTML over here. And if you are in the compose mode, just switch to the HTML mode and then go to the source code. You can find the source code in the description below. Alright, so in the source code you can find an HTML file and copy everything starting from the division event calendar to where it ends. So copy all this and paste it over here. Now we have an image over here called time.png, but we cannot access it in Blogger because we don't have a directory called images. So we have to first of all upload the image and add the link over here. So let's delete this from here and we'll go to this button called insert image and then click on choose files. So this is our project folder. Let's go into images and select the image and click on open. So this is the image. Let's click on add selected and select the original size and click on OK. So our image has been uploaded, but here we can see we have an anchor tag before the img tag. So we'll just remove the anchor tag and we'll also remove the img from here because we already have the img over here. So we'll remove the img and just keep the source, and we'll also delete everything else from here. So here we have the image and in the source we have the link of the image. Now I'll just copy this line of code and paste it wherever we have the image. So if you scroll down, we have the image over here. So let's select this and paste the line of code. We'll do the same with all the images. Alright, now let's click on publish. And we didn't add a title, so let's click on edit and let's add a title. Alright, now click on update and our post has been added. Now the last thing we need to do is add the CSS. So let's go to theme and then click on customize, and then we'll go to advanced and then click on add CSS, and let's go to our source code and select all the CSS and add it over here and click on apply to blog and then click on back to Blogger. Alright, now let's go to our posts and click on view post, and here we can see our events, and we have a slight problem over here that the underline is so close to our heading. So let's right click over here and click on inspect. So let's try and add some padding bottom. Alright, it works. So let's add padding bottom of 20 pixels to our CSS. So let's go to Blogger and click on theme, customize, go to advanced and click on add CSS. So these are the styles for the year. So let's add padding bottom of 20 pixels and let's click on apply, and let's refresh our page. And we can see that everything is working all right. So this is how you add this event calendar to your Blogger website. Now I'll show you how to add this to your WordPress website. Here I am in the dashboard of my WordPress website. So let's go to posts and create a new post and just add a title, and let's go to our source code and let's copy the HTML. So just copy the event container division and paste it over here. And then we have to add the images as well. So let's go to media and click on add new. And let's select our image and then click on open. Alright, our image has been uploaded, so let's click on edit. And here we can see the URL of the image. So let's copy this and paste it in place of our image. So just remove images/time.png and paste the URL of the image over here. And we'll do the same with all our images. Alright, now let's click on publish and then click on publish again. Alright, our post has been added. Now let's add the CSS. So for that we'll use a plugin. So let's go to plugins and click on add new. And let's search for Custom CSS. And we have a plugin called Simple Custom CSS and JS. So just go ahead and install that. And then click on activate. And here we can see a new menu called Custom CSS and JS. So let's click on add custom CSS. And we'll just give a title, event calendar CSS. And then just add your CSS over here. So let's go to style.css and copy everything from here and paste over here and then click on publish. Right, now let's go to our posts and view our post. And here we can see our events calendar, but it has some styling problems. So let's right click over here and click on inspect. And let's try to solve the problem. So the first thing is select the event left. And we have to change the minimum width over here. So let's change it from 82 to say 165. So we have to change the minimum width of event left to 165. And then we also need to change the width of the event timing. So let's go to this division and select the event timing, and we'll change the width to say 130. Alright, so we have to change the width of event timing to 130 and the minimum width of event left to 165. So let's go back to our dashboard and let's click on all custom code and edit the events calendar CSS. And let's search for event timing. So here we'll change the width to 130 pixels, and for the event left we have to change the minimum width to 165. Alright, now let's click on update and let's go over here and refresh our page, and now we can see that everything is working alright. So that's basically how you add an event calendar to your WordPress website. So you have to make these changes in your CSS occasionally because the theme also adds some CSS to your page. So you have to customize your CSS depending on different platforms. So that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.